So, hello friends, today's topic of expectations of finite random variables EX is a very important topic for GATE examination purpose. So, many friends ask the question upload that topic videos, so I will upload here. So before watch my in my notes this year, please subscribe my channels, like, share, and tell to friends for subscribe and latest updates. So now let's go to something. So first, I will provide the basic concept and after then formula. I will not go to the fully solution. Only here basic formula for what is the which formula used in examinations and something. So now go here. So here let x be the finite random variable. Here random variables is given following distribution. This is x f of x x1 x2 fx2 x3 fx3 xn. So then the mean or expectations or expected value of x is denoted by this ex. It is ex. So Ex is equal to x fx1 x2 fx2 xn fxn means that value is product of this. Otherwise it can be written as that format xi fxi. Otherwise xi into that is your probabilities. Probability of x into at point xi, that is xi into xi. Here when the notation of xi pi is used instead of xi into fxy, that is it can be written as that format xi pi x2 p2. Here that is a probability and x and p, and that is here which is the represented by probability numbers, given numbers and product of this probability. Similarly we find out this here ex square. Ex is the ex square summation of xi square f of xi by summation of xi square into pi. Or here similarly xi raised to n f of xi, otherwise xi raised to n pi, that is a general value. So now next here some properties of this here, this property of random variables. So property of ex, let x be the random variables and k be the constant of real numbers. So now ekx is equal to k constant out of this ex. Similarly e constant plus k, that is ex into k. Eax plus b, so ex plus b is here ex plus b, ex plus y, that is a general property. General ec, suppose that is c, that is a c where is the constants. Let xy be the random variable of our same sampling space this. So if ex1 x2 xn, so that is ex1 ex2 exn and so on, that is a which is a general properties. So don't confuse this here, general property. For the continuous random variable x having the density function of fx, that case ex is equal to this. Next page I will show here, but here ex equal to the when continuous random variable here, so density function of fx ex is equal to minus infinity to infinity x fx dx. So now next here mean and expectations. So what is the basic difference of this between them? So let x be the random variable with n distinct value xn x1 x2 xn, and suppose each xi occurs with the same probabilities pi. So each pi equal to this, so ex equal to x1 p1 x2 p2 xn pn. So p1 is equal to 1 by n something, that is here ex. So ex is represented by this mean. Ex is the called of mean of random variable x, which is denoted by mu x into ex, that is here denoted by this. Now standard deviation of this, standard deviation is represented by sigma. Now relation between standard deviation, variance and expectations. This is the most important here. So go to this. Let x be the random variable with mean of mu x and ex. Something is given, data is given. So in that case here x fx x1 x2 x2 x3 something. So mean mu is equal to of this. So variance of x denoted by variance of x is here denoted by this. That is your formula. Static part xi minus x bar whole square fxi x is equal to mu. So here mu here, that is x1 mu square fx1 x2 mu square. Now simplify, then we get this. Write down this. The variance of is equal to expectation of x minus mu whole square. Because ex equal to x1 x1, so that use of this, so it can be written in that format using of this. Now standard deviation variance of x, the sigma x variance of x sigma x square. This is the variance of x here under root this. So variance of x this is here. So now next properties here. Go to the variance of x. Variance of x. So variance of x is equal to x1 square fxn x2 square fx2 here xn square fxn minus mu square. That is a formula here. So x1 simplify that case is p1 here p2 and so on, that is pn. So that or this represent this variance of this xi whole square pi mu square, that is important. So otherwise which is ex square, so that is ex, the variance of x equal to ex square minus mu square. Next is property variance of ax plus b. So variance of ax plus b, this is here important here. Important. Variance of a square variance of x something. Next sigma standard deviation of ax plus b, a standard deviations. Vx plus k variance of x here sigma x. Vkx k square, that is here k square variance of x. Let x and y independent of random variable, that case ex into y ex dot ey, that is random variable, so ex independent, so that case ex dot ey. Then variance of x plus y variance of x into variance of y, and covariance of xy is 0. And xy be the dependent variable, then ex plus ey is equal to ex plus ey, and expectation of x plus expectation of y, covariance of xy is not equal to this, not equal to this. Next, continuous random variables. First also so, but here continuous random variable. So this is very important work. Yeah. So suppose if let x a less than x less than or equal to b, and probability of a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b, a to b fx dx. In this case, x is said to be, that is a continuous random variable. It means integral is exists, so that case is called continuous random variables here. Now function f of x is called distributions or continuous probability function, density function of this. That case f of x equal to 0 and minus infinity to infinity fx ds equal to 1. It's important, play the major role for solving the problems. Next, ex equal to minus infinity to infinity x fx dx, ex square into minus infinity to infinity x square fx ds. So ex raised to n minus infinity to infinity x raised to n fx dx. Variance of x ex square minus mu x square. Simplify this, so it can be written as this. So that case which is minus infinity to infinity x minus mu square f of x dx. And discrete cases, variance of x ex square minus mu square, variance of x is equal to minus infinity to infinity x square f of x minus mu square, and standard deviation is variance of x. Next topic is here covariance and correlations. So covariance, we know that is everyone xi minus difference of mu. This is the mu x, which is the x bar, which is y bar, xi x bar, y bar mu s, and here this is the which is here the in form of expectations ex minus mu x and y minus mu x. So covariance of this, simplify this and we get exy mu x into mu y. The correlation of x and y denoted by this is important. Covariance of xy into mu x into mu y. So that is here rho so correlation of this is denoted by xy, which is the sigma x and sigma y. That is sigma x upon sigma y, that is standard deviation of x, standard deviation of y, and that is cause inequality. Expectation exy whole square is less than or equal to this. Covariance of xy is equal to covariance of yx, covariance of xx, variance of x, covariance of axy, that is here axy, so a covariance of xy. Next, taken up some problems. So taken some problems and how to solve here. So taken some problems. So first, let x be the random variable with the following distribution function. Here given f of x equal to 1 by 2 x something is given mu x. What is the value of mu x? Ex square and variable of some things. So now let simple work his friends here. First write down the formula mu x equal to ex is equal to this. So first you write down the first random variable is minus infinity to infinity x f of x dx, that is the value of ex. So now put here, but limit here, so define the limits. So minus infinity to 0 x f of x dx plus 0 to 2 f of x x dx plus 2 to infinity x f of x dx. Your first word, that's split the given of limit according to limit. So first term it will be 0, here second term 0 to infinity, in x in the f of x is here 1 by 2x, so this is 1 by 2x dx, and third term otherwise is 0. So simplify this, 0 to infinities, so x square, sorry, 0 to 2, so 1 by 2, here x q by 3, x q by 3, 0 to 2, so 1 by 2 into 8 upon 3, that is your total 4 by 3. So that is the value of ex 4 by 3. Next, ex square, so ex of square is equal to minus infinity to infinity x square f of x dx, otherwise 0 to 2 x square, here that is 1 by 2 x f of dx. So simplify this, here 1 by 2, this is x raised to 4 by 4 and 0 to 2. So simplification 1 by 2, this is 16 upon 4, that is 2. So that case ex square is 2. Next, variance of x. So variance of x, what is the formula? That is ex square minus mu square, which is the formula here, ex square minus mu square, that is 4 minus mu square, mu means here, that is here mu, so this is 4 by 3 means 16 by 9. So 16 by 9, it means total 9 fours are 36 minus 9, 36 here. So 9 fours are 30, sorry, ex square is 2 only, no, here 2. So 9 2 the 18 minus 16, this is 2 by 9, hence variance of x. And standard deviations, square root of variance of x, that is under root 2 by 3, that is the standard deviations. Now take another problem. Something here is given the following probability distribution of computings in form of given data. So what is the value of ex something and something, so on. So now ex is equal to, we know that what is the value of ex. So ex is equal to, that is x, and which is the probability is given, so summation of xi into pi. So ex is equal to, this is suppose x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, x7. Similarly p1, p2, p3, p4, p5, p6, and here p7. So directly multiple and simplify this, means minus 3 into 0.05 plus minus 2 into 10 plus that terms minus 1 into 0.30 plus 0 plus 0.30 1 into plus 2 into 0.15 plus here 3 into 0.10. So that case here, so simplify then ex, we get this 0.25. Simplify. Next e 2x plus 3. Second e 2x plus 3. So what is this? So that case, which is write down the formula ex plus 3. Here formula ax plus b, that is a e of x plus b. So that is here 2. Ex is here find out. So 0.25 plus 3. So then simplify, we get this 3.50. That is value of this. Next ex square. Next this is ex square. So simplification of this xi square into pi. So try to self and simplify, then I will get here 2.95 there. Next variance of 2x plus 3. The variance of 2x plus 3, variance of 2x plus 3. So 2 into variance of x, 2 square variance of x, because here variance of ax plus b equal to a square variance of x. This is a formula, but first we are required find out this variance of x. So variance of x is equal to e of x square minus mu square. So e x square is find out here 2.95 minus mu, that is here mu. So minus mu here 0.25 square of simplification, so 2.8875. Let's simplify this and we get this. So that case here variance of 2x plus 3 equal to 4 into 2.8875. So calculate of this. So 4 5s are 20, 4 7s are 28, 30, 0 again 4 8s are 20, 32 and 5 here 3, 5, 10, 11. So that is 11.55 answer. Hello friend, next is a GATE question in GATE exam 16, question number 46, state fast. It's important is a let x1 x2 a sequence of IID, independent of identical distribution. That meaning of this IID, random variable with the mean of 1 is here, is geometrical random variable with this probability of mass function is given. So k equal to this, it is independent of xi. Then what is the value of this? So what is the value of this ex1 ex2 plus exn? So it can be written as ex1 plus x2 plus xn equal to e of x1 plus e of x2 plus e of x3 plus of e of xn and something that is here. So we know that first everyone is know that e of x. What is the e of x? Summation of xi, here probabilities of x into equal to x of y. So ex1, probability of k equal to 1 is given. It is so k equal to 1 here means ki, that is k1 k2 3 ki k1 k2 something 3, that is a k given in form of k. So it can be written as this ki p x is equal to ki, that is here. So suppose here e of x1 x फॉर्म क्या होगा आपसे, so e of x1 means here k1 into p of x equal to k1. So that is 1 into k equal to 1 into here, this is 2 upon k means 2 raised to 1, that is 1 by 2. So similarly e of x2, 2 into 1 upon 2 raised to 2, e of x3, 3 into upon 2 raised to q, and so on. So that is here. So now that case, what is this simplification, this ex1 to 1 into x2 into something, and next ex3 up to some, so on up to something. So now we get this ex1 plus x2 plus xn equal to this 1 plus, sorry, ex1, this is 1 by 2 here, ex1, so here 1 by 2, this is again ex2, 2 into 1 by 2 square plus 3 into 1 by 2 cube plus 4 into 1 upon 2 raised to 4 and so on. So that is here 1 by 2 is here 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 3 upon 8 plus 4 here upon 2 raised to 4, that is 16, and next 5 upon 32 plus 6 upon 64 and so on. This is 1 plus 3 by 8 plus 1 by 4 plus 5 upon 32 plus 6 upon 64 plus and so on. So now simplify this. So now that is just simplify this and we get this 1.96 here about, that is answer. Thank you. Subscribe my channels, like, share and tell to friends for subscribes for latest updates. Bye bye. Thank you.